So I keep running into this issue where my rivet gun basically gets stuck on here, won't come off, and then it comes only to right here. I can yank on this all I want and it's not coming off. Hey guys, what's going on? Cody here from Escapade Made. I wanted to make a quick video on how to get a rivet that is stuck in your rivet gun, pneumatic rivet gun, unstuck. I've been riveting this bus now. I'm probably on like rivet 1000. And I've come across this a few times. At first I freaked out, took the tool back, got a new one, and now it's happened to the other one. So I want to show you kind of like what to do here. That way you don't have to go back to the store, you don't have to buy a new one. It's kind of like a workaround. I wouldn't say it necessarily fixes the problem. The problem here is that you don't have enough air pressure, right? You really need to crank up the air pressure. Air pressure on this thing is 120 max. I've been told that these things can go to 150, 160. You're really supposed to have a lot of air pressure. But because my air compressor goes to like literally 120 max over here, I'm a little limited. So I keep running into this issue where my rivet gun basically gets stuck on here, won't come off, and then it comes only to right here. I can yank on this all I want and it's not coming off. So pretty simple fix to get it off, and then pretty simple fix to just keep moving. So guys, all you want to do, take some vice grips, put it between the rivet and the rivet gun. Just want to create a little bit of space, just like that. It could be loose on there. And then all you want to do is pull the trigger, it comes off. So basically the rivet gun is trying to push off the rivet and it has too much space and can't do that. So you have to give it a little bit of space. Basically just come in there and do that. Now, we still have the rivet still stuck in here, right? I can't remove that. I've tried with all my might today and yesterday. It doesn't happen. It comes out just a little bit. You can take the gun apart, spend 20, 30 minutes doing that and then removing it. Or, like I said, it's a workaround. Don't kill me in the comments. Pretty much press the trigger in and then boom, it just goes right into there. Keep the trigger pulled in. We move to our next rivet. Let go of the rivet, or let go of the trigger a couple times. And we're back to new. Now, the end of the rivet is still in there, so this is what I've been doing the whole time. Like I said, this is a workaround. Press this in, push the old rivet end back, and then we just move to the next rivet. Alrighty guys, I hope that helped in terms of like figuring out the rivet gun. Like I said, this is a workaround. In an ideal world, you would just want to have a compressor that gives you more air pressure, or a more expensive, a better quality rivet gun. But listen, you know, we're doing this on a budget. I'm not going to be doing this for a living. I just need to get this 1 or 2 jobs done. So if you're looking for a workaround, I hope that helps. If you've enjoyed this, I have a lot more videos just like this where I kind of give you workarounds, give you little DIY tools. I am converting my bus right now to eventually live in as a schoolie. So hope this helps, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.